Hi everyone, welcome to 55th Avenue. I just wanted to give you a glance at this listing and offering here in Hyattsville, very close to the BW Parkway and the Beltway. So you can either go to Baltimore, go to DC, or go wherever you want to go because major highways are nearby. So this home in Hyattsville at 55th Avenue has a really quaint front porch. Very nice entry as you come in and half bath. So let me take you through the rest of the house. Hold on. Great, so as we come through the rest of the house, you'll see that there's a really nice front porch, nicely appointed front door with window light. Also, as you come in, take a look at these hardwood floors, ready for you to just move in and be at home. Also, as you come in, you'll see the stairs going up to the sleeping area and also a nice coat closet that's conveniently located to the front door. Then as you come through, just take a look. This is the living dining room area. You've got recessed lighting throughout this floor. Windows galore that let in the sunlight. It's just fantastic. And then as you walk through, there's nice slider doors that go into the backyard and deck. The deck does have a nice offering into the backyard. Take a look at that, nice and green, that is fenced in, ready for you and your four-legged family, potentially, who knows. Like I said, great light coming in, hardwoods that are fantastic, and take a look at this kitchen. Very well appointed as you come in. You've got a nice stone ground countertop, nice tile flooring, well appointed as you come through. You've got dishwasher and a very deep gourmet sink. Coming in, just taking a look at that. Look at that recessed lighting, fans all throughout. Keeping you cool and moving the air around. Here, walk with me for a moment as we go upstairs. So, there's this nice landing that comes to the coat closet that you see here. I'll open it up so you can take a peek. Nice and wide. Thoughtful hooks at the back for coats, etc. And then as we come upstairs, again, hardwoods, just making your way up. As you make your way up to the top of the stairs, the landing here, you've got full bath here at the end of the hall. Nice tile work, pedestal sink, etc. This first bedroom, you've got, again, another ceiling fan to keep you nice and cool and keep the air moving. You do have central air in this home as well, but you can save on some of that air conditioning, etc. You don't have to turn it as cool as you need it because you've got nice fans that will move the air through as well. And here's bedroom number 2. Nice and sunny, again, with a ceiling fan. And then coming into the main bedroom here at the end of the hall, you've got great sunlight, closet. I'm just gonna walk from one corner to the other and let your eyes just take in the room. Second closet there. Just kind of walk over, let you take in the room. Kind of walk through. Hardwoods again. Ceiling fan. Oh, there's still more, so hold on just a moment. I'm gonna walk down the hall, and then we're gonna go downstairs so you can take a peek at what's going on in the basement as well. So walk with me some more, and let's take a journey to the basement. I don't want to make you dizzy, but I do want to get you through the house. All right, so here we are. Look at these tile floors coming in. This basement is ready. You've got nice tile flooring throughout. Nice molding details throughout, both at top and like chair rail level. And look at this, you've got theater vision waiting for your custom appointments on this. You've got storage under the stairs, and then you also have HVAC and laundry here in this back storage room. Take a look at that. Everything in really great condition. This house has really good bones. I mean, I'm envious. They just don't make houses like this anymore. Look at the structural detail. And then as you come through, you got newer hot water heater, newer HVAC, great laundry, and then you've got egress to the backyard from the lower level. So it can be an English basement or just entertainment galore in and out. So, welcome to 55th. Really hope you'll take a look, make consideration, and see what we can do to make 55th your next home or investment property. So give us a call. You can always reach me, Helen Good, at GOODEHOMES4U. You can reach me on my website, www.goodehomes4u.com, and that's www.GOODEHOMES, the number 4 and the letter U.com. Good with an E, homes with an S, the number 4, the letter U.com. Hope to speak with you soon. Bye-bye.